remember when I learned that in school, that the dust storms in Africa help form the hurricanes that come through the Atlantic, and my mind was just like blown. Like, what? Weather is so cool. All right, we broke another record today. Campo hit 110, breaking the old record of 106 degrees. I'm waiting to get the official report from the National Weather Service to see if any other records were broken, but as of right now, that one looks like a sure shot. All right, we are seeing those clouds along our coastline downtown, some sunshine breaking through there, and then some of the tropical clouds already impacting some inland neighborhoods like in Fallbrook. We're also seeing those clouds over Chula Vista and in El Cajon, so there's that surge, and it is bringing some mugginess as it comes as well. Along the coastline, those marine layer clouds did not budge along the coast, the beaches, to a few miles inland today. And because of that, it is significantly cooler. We're in the 60s in Del Mar, Carlsbad, and La Jolla. Imperial Beach now in the 60s. Meanwhile, 85 in Escondido and in Poway, 91 in Ramona, 98 in Warner Springs, and then you get out to the deserts, 114 and 115. So if you're headed out to Coronado tomorrow, we will see abundant clouds in the morning, overcast, and uneven clearing into the afternoon. That's pretty much going to be your coastal forecast the next few days. Temperatures will be still climbing to the mid-70s along our coast, though, low to mid-70s. For the Alpine area, don't expect to see much cloud cover in the morning, and if you do, it will be gone very quickly, and as soon as that, we're going to see those temperatures skyrocketing. By noon, we're at 92. By the afternoon, we're looking at mid-90s. By 8 o'clock, it's still pretty warm at 78 degrees. And I'm forecasting 2 record highs tomorrow in Campo and in Borrego Springs, but just tying their current forecast or their current record that they have for tomorrow. And I think that might be the end of the record-setting heat. So tomorrow, temperatures are still just about as hot as they've been, maybe a couple degrees cooler here or there, but still dangerously hot, with 90s for the inland and mountain areas and between about 117 and 119 in the deserts. So there's that high pressure system that is just blanketing so much of the west in those excessive heat warnings, and that goes for us still here in San Diego. Now, if you're sitting here, like, when we say only the immediate coast, it's the beaches to about maybe 5-10 miles inland. So areas like Kearny Mesa, Tierra Santa, Claremont, Chula Vista, National City, you're not in that excessive heat warning. It's the farther inland neighborhoods, Poway, Rancho Bernardo, Ramona, Alpine, Santee, El Cajon, and then the deserts, of course, you're dealing with that extreme heat. Temperatures will generally, I think, mostly be under 120 degrees the next couple of days. And for the inland and mountain areas, that excessive heat warning again goes until tomorrow night. For the deserts, it goes until Friday night. So there's those low clouds by Friday morning, and I wanted to highlight Friday because that's when we start to see more of those monsoon moisture, monsoon moisture, the tropical moisture, those clouds coming in, surging in from the southeast of us, and there will be a chance for a few showers and thunderstorms, mostly in the mountains, but not out of the question that we could see a storm form in the mountains and move west into the valleys. Temperatures drop to the low to mid-70s this weekend along our coast. Not a huge change along the coast, but the inland neighborhoods do come down quite a bit, from the 90s the next couple of days to the mid-80s by Sunday, actually trending a couple degrees below normal early next week. For the mountains, a couple more days in the 90s here as well. That chance for storms Saturday, Sunday, and maybe into Monday, but Saturday and Sunday looking like the best chance, and the desert areas temperatures also dropping by about 10 degrees or so by the end of the weekend.